Jobs numbers are out for the month of April, and things are looking really good. The U.S. economy added 115,000 jobs in April, which was more than economists expected, and it's the second strong month in a row. In March, the U.S. economy added 185,000 jobs. This news is really positive for a bunch of reasons. First, it wasn't necessarily expected. There was a report out from the outplacement firm Challenger Grain Christmas this week that said that job cuts were up by 38%. That is really not great news, and I think a lot of people were bracing for a not great jobs report as a result. But the really exciting thing about this jobs report is the diversity of it. So up until now, most of the jobs being added in our economy were being added in healthcare. And there was a lot of worry that this one sector was growing, the healthcare sector, and everything else was sort of really anemic. But this job growth was really spread out over a bunch of sectors, including healthcare, but also retail, leisure and hospitality, warehousing, and other things. So it wasn't just one sector that was growing, it's growth across different parts of the economy. The unemployment rate remained unchanged. They get those numbers from two different places, the jobs added versus the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is generally considered to be a little bit more robust. That number was unchanged, 4.3%, which historically speaking is still extraordinarily low. Anything under 5% is considered really low unemployment rate. All told, this is really good news. There's just been so much worry about the job market, especially as AI comes onto the scene more and more. And certainly we do seem to be seeing the impact of that showing up in these jobs numbers. The tech sector lost jobs, financial services lost jobs. We also have manufacturing losing jobs. So it's not all great news, but it's really solid news at a time when I think a lot of people were expecting a not so great report. So a little bit of good news this Friday.